In this video, I'll show you how to check your posted SSS contributions online. Step-by-step guide 2026. Let's get started. Open any browser. We'll use Google Chrome for this tutorial. In the search bar, type SSS and press enter. Then click www.sss.gov.ph. I'll also put the link in the description below for easy access. Once you're on the website, click Create a My.SSS account or login. Tap Login. Enter your user ID and password, then click Sign In. For the one-time PIN verification, select one-time PIN via SMS. Once you receive the OTP, enter it and click Login. You'll then see the privacy consent and declaration page. Click I agree. Now we have access to the My.SSS dashboard. In the first section, you can see View Contribution, along with your total contribution amount and the number of contributions posted. To check your contributions, tap the View Contributions button. You can see your member information details. Scroll down. Under the Contributions section, you can see the summary of your contributions. As you can see, our latest payment for the month of June 2026 has already been reflected here. You can also review your previous contribution payments by clicking the arrow in the left corner. Now that's how to check your posted SSS contributions online. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications for more government services tutorials. Thanks for watching.